Today, we are here to do a number of things.
Omukorogo gukorera omuchombeko chambadifa chirukushangwa aho murremo mbarara kandi gwicirwemo abebembezi ababiri abebembezi abantu baburijo abashubuzi eminyeto abarjom district ezo ezirukora echanga chankole ekigombe cha Afri nicho kibe kitebekanise omushomogu kandi eki nico kigombe ekyatirweho okishizima emikore y'abebembezi andengo zona bit aba batakatongwize parliament y'abantu baburisho eragume neshizima abebembezi babo abantu baburisho babanzi babashomesa ebyenderwa bishengereri
to strengthen scrutiny that if you are in a leadership position you do not own it, and therefore the people who put you there have the right to know what you are doing and how you are doing it.
Whatever a member of parliament does, it does it on behalf of the people. I know many of them who have not made their meetings today, but they are normally they believe that they do not catch the eye of the speak. How telling are you not to catch the eye of the speak?
Abantu bonje bagira ngo ebyo no kubikora nabo kushanga ngo abebembezi abakutorana hati bariyo ne bakora ebyabo.
Our MPs, we elect them, they go away, they come back after 5 years, they say, I want your votes.
Aba bagarukire batonguza n'inkuza yakanyawenje omuntu nazagumana ko sisimuye agambe no munyishingiro we na munonge ebyo ebyarukwenda.
Everything you say, all the messages are paid for by Apple, free of charge. So whatever you raise, whatever communication, you are not charged anything, but when you are downloading, because you are downloading from the internet, that is not our cost, because the internet must charge anyway.
That we are going to be generating a lot of information through research around the parliament and policy, and therefore we will be sharing this information periodically to share, and we share knowledge.
Ankole community parliament.
Omukorogo guhendire barukutongoza parliament y'abantu baburijo ebayeta parliament y'ebyaro. Ahabwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.